for a
And
long
those
time.
people,
If
by the
they're-
way, they always
go
drift
away.
out, and I knew it. I'm like, I knew it.
if it's about the money, it's about this, about that.
Yeah,
you know,
you're
not
here for
about the right
something.
things.
Like you're here for something else. It's not this. You have to want to thirst not just for community, but for the knowledge as well. Because if you, like you said, those two things, you can't have two without one or the other, or one without the other two. You know?
Yeah. Yeah, I was just watching the Adam Wardzinski. He posted a video. And I was like, oh, I got to try that bag. I was watching it with Fifi, you know, like a back take, right?
Yeah.
Like they gave us side control and just turn the like kind of octopus kind of guard kind of thing.
Yeah.
And taking the back, I was like, I got to drill that. I got to do that. You know?
Yeah.
You know, like
Yeah, little things.
little things, and
Yeah,
you just
little
keep at
things.
it and like, oh wow, cool.
For sure. It's always like cool to like run into somebody like out in the world who's like as much of a nerd about it as you are. Because typically you only find those people in the street, or no, not in the street, but in the gym.
Yeah.
You only find those people in the gym. To find somebody like that out in the street, it's like, oh man, we're friends. You know, we're friends. It was when I went to Joe Rogan's like a comedy thing, you know. And I mean, I don't know any of those people. The Mothership. We went there for a show. Some friends of mine had some connects, and we went up there, and we weren't sure if we were gonna be able to get in. There was chaos and this and that. And I looked at the guys at the door. Every one of them had cauliflower ear.
Yeah.
And I just kind of moseyed over there, just ahead of the line. I was like, hey man, where do you train? And he was like, oh, I train at 10th Planet. I was like, get out of here. I used to train at 10th Planet over at, he's like, oh, what? Oh, it's crazy. Oh, and then he calls the other guy over. And then this other guy, he's like, oh, we teach over here. And he's from BT and blah, blah. And we're just like, yeah, come over to the front. And then we just all got in. And all my friends are like, how do you know so many people in Austin? I was like, I don't. It's just like you just put up the smoke signal.
Straight up. I remember like in New York.
Yeah, Tribe.
In New York, right? Like big nightclubs, this, that.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
you know, like back in everybody's dialed in, right? Everybody's
Yeah.
connected, and they're part of the like what do you got? Like Fight Club in a way, right?
Yeah. Instantly, we started exchanging social medias.
Yeah,
And when are you in town? How long are you in town? Come out tomorrow. And it's like, oh, cool. Like, all right, I'm already at home here in this place that I've never been to.
Yeah, anywhere in the world right now with Jiu-Jitsu.
Anywhere in the world. Yeah, anywhere in the world. And we got into the club and they're like, you good? Everything cool? I'm like, yeah, crazy. What a crazy backstage pass that like Jiu-Jitsu has turned into in my life. And it was the like most unlikely thing too. So weird. I'm here for it though. I love it.
Awesome, man. Well, thank you, bro. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks.
My brother.
And see you downstairs.
Let's go roll. I'm rolling today too. So let's do it.